That's how they do. They got wooden balls, man.
I got a joint here, man. I've been saving for a special occasion.
Damn, what was in this shit, man? I had to go like that before my life, man. That's the heavy shit I ever smoked, man. I mean, that's a lot of shit, but man, what's that, man? That's heavy shit.
You okay?
I can't breathe. Man, I never had no dope like that before in my life, man. That's the heavy shit I ever smoked, man. I mean, I smoked a lot of shit before, man. But goddamn, man, that's heavy shit.
You okay? Can't breathe.
You ever smoked no shit like that before? You ever smoked no shit like that before? You ever smoked no shit like that before? You ever smoked no shit like that before?
Smoking dog shit, man. Man.
And what is your name, sir?
I told you my name, man.
What's your name?
Hey, what's your name, man? The dude wants to know your name, man.